Unbelievable! This one gardening hack will make your pears grow 3x bigger and sweeter. Most people get it wrong, but with this secret, you'll have a massive harvest. Don't miss out, try it now, and watch your pear tree explode with fruit. Your neighbors will be jealous when they see your tree loaded with huge, juicy pears. This secret method is so simple, but 90% of gardeners miss it. Stop wasting time on slow-growing trees. Use this trick, and watch your pears grow faster and sweeter than ever. Don't wait. Try it today, and get the best pear harvest of your life. Imagine picking pears so big and sweet. They taste like candy. Most gardeners fail because they ignore this one game-changing tip. But you won't. Follow this secret today, and watch your tree explode with fruit. Don't let another season go to waste. Start now, and enjoy the juiciest pears ever.